Hi everyone, welcome to MarikaCreations. Today I will show you how I transformed a very plain looking side table from Ikea to a beautiful piece of furniture. So stay tuned for that. So I'm starting off with this piece of furniture from Ikea. Not very exciting. And the first thing I'm going to do is to take some wood strips like this, and I will cut them to size to cover the front of the side table. So they will look like a frame, like this. This video is also part of a challenge, the Useful DIY Challenge. And today's theme, Furniture Decor DIY. Monthly hosted by Mum over at Momdas Life Handmade, and her co-host for this month is Yvonne at GingerChickRehab. I leave links in the description box below to their channels as well as to the playlist of this challenge. I'm wood gluing down the pieces, as you can see, and then I'm hammering in 2 nails per side. And then it will look like this. Already much prettier. Time for painting, and I'm using a satin white color, and I apply 2 coats. As you can see here, I left the inside of the side table unpainted. And here I just measure out where I used to have the shelf, so I know when I cover the inside with wallpaper where the holes are. And here's the wallpaper I'm using, gorgeous. And I'm just measuring it to size and cut it out. If you're new to my channel, hi! I am Marika, and on this channel I do lots of DIYs, thrifting, decorating, renovation of my home, some pottery, some painting, anything creative. If this is up your alley, please join me. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's be friends. And I want to cover the whole inside of the side table with the wallpaper, the both sides, the bottom, and also around the shelf. And I have mixed together some wallpaper glue, and I'm just putting it on to the side there, as you can see, and then I'm just putting the wallpaper on and smooth it out while it's still wet. Same procedure on the bottom there on the side table. Glue first, wallpaper on, and smooth it out. And I do the same to the shelf. One tip that I didn't do but should have done is to sand off the edges of the shelf, because even though the wallpaper is very thin, it was for me a struggle to put the shelf back into place. So if you sand off the edges a bit, it will do the trick for you. And here is how it turned out. Mind you, it's not the final look, but you can have it just like this, and it's so much more beautiful than it was from the start. All white, crispy white, and with the wallpaper inside there. Just beautiful, a little farmhousey in the style and decoration. And the frame did the trick to the exterior. I love that. And some pretty decor on the top. But now, wait for it. I have something I did in another video. Remember this tray, this industrial tray? I made it to fit this piece of furniture. Look at it. If you are interested to see how I made this tray, I'll leave a link in the description box below, so you can watch that video just after this one. Isn't it beautiful? I love how it turned out. More farmhousey. This little sign here, njut varje minut, enjoy every minute in Swedish. And the details, the decorating. Made these books recently, another video. I can leave that as well in the description box. What did you think of this piece of furniture? Leave me a comment down below. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you soon again in my next one. Take care. Bye.